Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all of my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. All right. I hope that clap wasn't too loud. I'm sorry. Microphone's like right here. I'm so sorry. So, I got some new products. They're new to me and they've been out for a little while and they were on my wish list of products to try for this year and I was able to get my hands on them at the beauty supply. So, if you guys want to see me use some new hair products from Sashapure, stay tuned. Hey guys, all right, I am back. The back half of my hair is already done, as you all know, because that's what we do around here. So just finished washing my hair rinsing the deep conditioner out of my hair in the shower. So now let's go ahead and get on to finishing putting the styling products in, starting with my left side, which, why am I having a hard time? Oh, there we go. I'm going to start with my left side here. There we go. Like, trying to get the dang thing out. All right, I'm going to spray a little bit more water on it because I like it to be like soaking wet when I apply product and everything. I have my Familiars, my oil right here. I had to go get a whole new bottle while I was at Sally's picking up some other stuff that you guys are going to see in a future video. Go ahead and put all the oil in the section. Here, let's see. Nope, there was no video last week because I didn't get a chance to film last week. That's my fault, and I need to get better at that. Let's see, Allocate Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner. And we're almost out of it. Thank goodness there is another whole new bottle that I just picked up today from Target sitting on the other side of the room. So we'll finish this bottle out and then we're going to get on to that bottle probably next week. We shall see, depending on what product I'm going to be using. And for the styler, we're going to use the Sashapure Perfectly Defining Curl Cream. That is what this is right here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use that product. This is the amount I'm going to use here for the entire section. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and run that through the full section. Going to rake it through the section. There we go. My hair gets a little tangled still. There we go. Knock out some of those tangles. Finger rake it through the hair. I might put a little bit more in the front. We'll figure that out as we go. It's so weird that a year ago, around this time, I didn't have as much hair and it was red. And now I look at it like when the sun hits it, my tips are red, which is really funny. And I have not dyed my hair again. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to dye it again. I don't know. I have moments I think about dyeing it, and then I have other moments I'm like, I don't want that. So, you know, it's one of those things. Anyway, let's get on to the right side and do everything we did on the left. Oh yeah, this time I actually got dressed. That's why I had to make sure I sprayed more water on my hair, because it took me a while to finish setting up. I had to get all the stuff out the chair and I had to get dressed because I didn't feel like doing this in my robe. And I still have a full day ahead of me. I still have to meal prep for the week and all that fun stuff. Back to meal prepping. God help us all on that one. Okay, here we go with the product. This is how much we're going to put on this side. Put probably a smidge more on that side because it's going to go to the middle too. I'm going to go ahead now and get rid of the part that was in the middle of my head, which really wasn't much of a part. My hair looked a mess yesterday, and I actually left the house like that. Why? I don't know. Because, well, I just didn't feel like dealing with nothing in my hair. But we'll get into that in the next part of this video. I'm actually going to check in with you guys throughout the week so you guys can see the progression of my hair. I am also going to be co-washing my hair. And you guys are going to see my hair before co-washing on both days because I co-wash on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So you guys are going to see that. And I'm going to do the final review on either Friday or Saturday. It depends on what day I'm going to have actual time to fully film everything so you all can see how it all turned out. There we go. Try to shake it into some sort of something here. Okay, yeah, this is not looking very good here. Normally it goes over. Okay, this is weird that my hair is not falling over. And it's wet. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Yeah, I don't know. So, all right, well, all the product is in my hair. Now I'm going to, as you all know, I let my hair air dry for the rest of the day. I may sit under the dryer because I really don't want to go to bed with my hair wet this tonight. And plus also it is starting to get cold here. So now I have to go into cold weather mode with my hair. Either like wear it with a bag and then take my hair down at work, shake it out and do everything at work, or my hair has to fully dry on Sunday or the night before I go to work and not have wet hair when I go to work. So I have to figure out which way I want to go. But this is my hair with all the product in it. And yeah, I will check back in with you guys. Let's see, probably either tomorrow or Tuesday. I'll check back in. Actually, I'll probably check in on Tuesday. Tomorrow is a regular day. I'll post pictures for tomorrow on Tuesday when you guys see my hair. Tuesday before I co-wash. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, I am back. And yeah, I actually waited almost a full week before I recorded this part of the video. Reason why I waited is because I kind of wanted to go through the whole week and have this product in my hair, play around with it so you guys can, see all the pictures. And then for me really to play around with it. Plus, I've been kind of busy this week trying to get some time to film, and I have been doing some cleaning around here. You guys can't see, but it's still chaotic and I still have stuff to do. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead, show you guys all of the 4 products that I picked up from the Sashapure line. And then we're going to talk about how I feel about them in the end. So the first thing that I used was the Sashapure Certified Peruvian Sasha Inchi Oil Healing Shampoo. Certified Peruvian Sasha Inchi Oil. On the bottle, it says rich in omega 3, 6, and 9, vitamins A and E, and amino acids. The claims are: strengthens, restores, protects, color safe, sulfate free, and for all hair textures. This is a 12 fluid ounce bottle of the shampoo. Here you are right here. And the next thing that I used is the restorative conditioning mask, and it has all the same claims on this jar. This is an 8 fluid ounce jar right here of the mask. Let me do this. There we go, of the mask. And let's see, the shampoo was $14.49 at the beauty supply, and the conditioning mask was $13.99. And let's see, for the styler, I had the Perfectly Defining Curling Cream, and this was a 8.5 fluid ounce bottle. Here you go, right here. And this was $11.49. And to co-wash my hair, they had a co-wash. It was the Rehydrating Cleansing Conditioner. This is a 12 fluid ounce bottle right here. And this bottle was $11.49. I picked up all of these at my local beauty supply. Wow, it's been a while since I picked it up. And they were running a special, buy 4 products and get like matching 4 products for free. So I got my sister a set, and she used it before I did. And it's funny that we kind of have the same similar thoughts, but let's get into how I feel about this product. Okay, how do I truly feel about these products? Well, let's break it down. Break it down, break it down. Start with the shampoo. Shampoo was cool. It had a weird smell to it. You know how it smelled like alcohol. I'm gonna flat out say the first thing that I smelled with this product when I put it in my on my scalp is I smelled alcohol, flat out alcohol. Rubbing alcohol at that. That's how it smelled. I was not very enthused by the smell, but it did get my scalp pretty clean. All smell aside, my scalp did get clean. I just wasn't like a gigantic fan of that smell. So if you get that smell out, I think I would actually like it better, but I wasn't a true fan. But the conditioning mask actually, here it is right here. It's very thick and it has a slight alcohol smell, but I actually liked this. It actually worked really well on my hair. The only issue, one week I conditioned overnight. Reason why I condition overnight sometimes is because of time. Basically, it takes a lot of time for me to wash my hair, condition, and then get on to do everything in one day. So what I do sometimes is I'll wash my hair on Saturday night, deep condition overnight, then get up in the morning, rinse the deep conditioner and style it, and then go on about my day. Like if we have to go run errands or anything, I can let it air dry because I do love to air dry my hair. My hair to me looks better air dried than sitting under the dryer because I get less shrinkage. To me, for me, that's how I feel. And the only issue with this deep conditioner is that the next day, like when I get up, my hair will be kind of hard, but it rinses out very well. My hair feels very soft. My curls are very defined. So I do like that part of it. I think it did a really good job in moisturizing my hair and conditioning my hair. So I did really like that. The perfectly defining curl cream. Picture's going to be up. You're going to see progression. Now, you guys saw my hair Sunday. And how it looked Sunday is how it looked Monday and Tuesday. I looked like Sam Jackson in Unbreakable. I ain't even gonna lie. But then I realized why I was looking like that. And it was because I didn't use enough product on the front of my hair. So when I co-washed my hair Tuesday into Wednesday, I looked like this. It looked a lot better because it was more product that I put in my head. But there's a downside. And you're going to see it in some pictures here that there's a ton. I was about to use an expletive. There was a ton of buildup after, because right now it's getting colder and it's very cold in the morning. So I'm wearing a hat now. So I would take my hat off and I would shake my hair out. And if I'm wearing like a black blazer or a black jacket, which I wear a lot of black, especially in the wintertime, it's like snowfall. And that was the one thing I couldn't stand. And I was like, seriously, this is what we're doing today. I can't get a cream that does not give me snow. I mean, right now, I'm going to get in a little close. You may be able to see, like right about here, there's some buildup right there. Yes, I still have product buildup. I co-washed my hair on Thursday. Today is Saturday. I had to co-wash it Thursday because yesterday, I went to get my new ID, my new state ID, and I had to take a picture. So I needed my hair to look great. Thank God. This product will have my hair looking great, but I'm going to have product buildup. So from afar, it's like, ooh, your curls all popping, your hair's defined, it's big. And I mean, I got that big hair. It looks great. It looks great now. And this is, like I said, this is like day 3 hair, day 2 hair, kind of. Yeah, day 2. This is day 2 hair. But it flakes. And that's the annoying part about this is that my hair is flaking with the styler. And I mean, I use my usual suspects of oil, and my leave-in, I used my same leave-in I've been using, which is Allocate Naturals. Still flaking. I don't get it. I really don't get it. The co-wash was cool. I didn't dislike the co-wash. Um, I would probably use it in a rotation with my other two co-washes that I use, but would I repurchase it? That's going to be the biggest question that I'm going to have. So, would I repurchase any of these products? The price points are not bad. I'm going to say between 14 and $12. Price points aren't too bad, but I would only I don't think I would repurchase it. If I was to repurchase it, it would be, I would have to try to find a different combination to keep the flakage out, but I don't know if there's any other combination to use underneath it for oil and leave-in. Because with a cream, you can't put another cream on top of it as a leave-in. You have to have a liquid leave-in with a cream. That's what I've always done and never had a problem. So I don't know if I would repurchase this. The deep conditioner, like I said, I do like the deep conditioner. I will probably use it up, and that would be it. The product, the curling, the curl cream, if I need it for like one day, like if I was washing my hair in the morning and I was going somewhere later and I needed, and I knew this was going to be the perfect product to use, I would use this for like a one day. But 2 and 3 days later, no, because of the buildup that it gives. And it kind of does give a little bit of buildup even on first day, right after you dry it. So you have to be very careful of the amount. You can't do too much, you can't do too little, or you'll be Sam Jackson in your life. And you don't want to keep doing that. You don't want to look like Sam Jackson. Great actor, unbreakable, not a good look. That's all I'm going to say. So I just don't think I would repurchase these products. And that is it for this video. We are done, donezo. I'm ready to change my clothes. I'm going to go to dinner. It is, I don't know, because I just got my move goal achieved yet again. 6:26. So I do need to like get dressed so I can get up out of here and go get some dinner. So if you guys have any questions on the products, talk to me below. Real quick, one thing, we're going to go to 2 hair products a month. I'm going back to more hair products. Reason why is because there's a lot of new products that's been coming out lately, and I've been kind of missing the boat on them. So let's get on some more products. Let's like start seeing, let's get on some stuff. And I already got some bangers coming. I already got some hitters. I actually got a few things today. So we got some new stuff coming. So in 2 weeks, you'll get another hair video on some new products and so on and so forth. But I'm going to get out of here. I got to go. Like I said, I got to get dressed, get some dinner, get things going, got things to do. So like I said, any questions, talk to me below. Saw all my social media at the beginning, and that is it. And I'm out. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.